After you arrive into Savvy Goat, you come to your home dashboard, and this is the button at the top left-hand corner of the screen here. It will take you back to this dashboard. You'll notice that there is a left-hand navigation, and there are three main panels on this home dashboard. The first one talks about your workspaces. Now, a workspace are used to logically organize members and mountains into discrete groups. The workspace you have access to are workspaces that either you've created or where you've been invited by others to join theirs. And you can see here the owner, where you're the owner, these are ones that you've created, and where it's got member beneath it, that's where you've been invited to join someone else's workspace. If you've been invited, you'll get your invitations in this panel. This is where you receive your invitations. And if you're sending invitations out to others to join your workspace, you'll need some credits available. Going down the dashboard menu here, you can see you can select workspaces either by clicking on this menu here or by pressing the button here. So we'll go and have a look at this one here, which is support videos workspace. And you can see there are a number of members. There are 4 members of this group, and you can see the mountains in this workspace. And there's one mountain in here at the moment called Fresh Test Mountain. And there's a calendar here which is associated to that mountain. You can manage your members simply by clicking on this button. You can see the names of the people in the group, and you can set their permission levels, and you can add more people by using invitations and sending out invitations here, which I'll show you a bit more about later. So going back to this screen here, you can see the mountains here. You can either edit a mountain if it's one you've created yourself, and there's a menu here to view it, edit it, or copy it, or delete it. You can do that if it's your mountain. If it's someone else's, you'd only be able to play the mountain, which is the continue button. Carrying down this menu here, there is also a messaging center where you can receive messages from players in your workspaces. And down here are your notifications, your support videos, and your sort of home personal button, where basically you go to settings, and you've got your profile. You can customize your profile. You can check your email details. You can set your personalization, so you can change your date format, time format, and you can change your color background, whether it's a light theme, a dark theme, or following the system. You can even choose different languages. Currently we have Chinese and Danish, as well as English US. And notifications, you can set notifications to be received in your inbox, which is this button down here, which is your notification inbox. Or you can go to get it on email, and you can get it popped up in your browser if you've enabled support in your browser for notifications. And this button here allows you to test that functionality. We'll do allow a couple of minutes for the email to come through the system. The last menu in here is about credits, and this is how you purchase invitations to play your game.